Over 90% of car owners are quietly bleeding money on problems they could fix for pocket change with stuff they already have at home. Some of these tricks will save you hundreds or even thousands on detail shops, body shops, and surprise repairs. And a few can stop expensive failures before they start. Let's jump straight in. Hack number 15: Vaseline for instant interior trim restoration. Take a cheap tub of petroleum jelly and watch your faded, dull interior plastics come back to life in minutes. The jelly sinks in deep, restoring moisture to dry, sun-baked plastic so it regains its original deep color and supple feel. Finish with a quick buff and you'll get that rich, factory-fresh sheen that makes the whole cabin look freshly detailed. A $3 tub will treat your entire interior multiple times. Bonus: hit your rubber door and window seals with the same stuff. It keeps them soft and flexible so they seal tight even in freezing winters and prevents them from shrinking and cracking. What most people don't realize is that once interior plastic dries out completely, it turns brittle and starts flacking. At that point, you're looking at costly panel replacements. Hack number 14: Hairdryer to pop out car dents. Small door dings and fender dents drive you crazy every time you walk up to your car. Body shops want $150 $300 for paintless dent removal, but many shallow dents can be fixed at home with just a hair dryer and a can of compressed air. Crank the hair dryer on high and warm the dented metal for 2 to 3 minutes until it's hot to the touch. Then flip the compressed air can upside down and spray the area heavily. The sudden cold shock makes the metal contract fast and the dent usually pops right back out. Works best on gentle dents without sharp creases or chipped paint. One $6 can handles multiple fixes. The same method works on plastic bumpers too, just be gentler with the heat so you don't warp anything. What they don't tell you is that an unrepaired dent lets moisture and road salt get trapped, eventually cracking the paint and starting rust that spreads. Hack number 13: Mechanical key for instant emergency access. Key fob battery dies in a parking lot and suddenly you're locked out. Before you call roadside assistance for a $100 plus visit, check your fob. Almost every modern key fob hides a real metal key inside. Look for the small release button or slot on the side, pop it open and slide out the mechanical key. It opens the door manually, no battery, no electronics needed. On many cars it also opens the trunk and even has a backup slot near the steering column to start the engine. This factory feature costs you nothing because it's already in your pocket every day. Hack number 12: Orange peel for crystal clear headlight lenses. Cloudy, yellowed headlights kill your nighttime visibility and make the whole front end look old. Pro Restoration runs $80 $120 and store kits are hit or miss. Try this instead. Grab a fresh orange, peel it and rub the white pith side firmly in circles over the lens for 2 to 3 minutes. The natural citric acid and oils dissolve the oxidation layer. Wipe clean with a microfiber towel and buff dry. You'll see instant improvement. One orange costs about 50 cents and does both headlights. The leftover oils even slow down future oxidation for longer-lasting results than many sprays. What they don't tell you is that badly oxidized headlights can cut light output by 70%, making night driving dangerous and potentially illegal. Hack number 11: Toothpaste to seal surface paint scratches. Light surface scratches catch the light and annoy you every time you wash the car. Before you spend hundreds at a body shop or $30+ on touch-up paint, try regular white toothpaste. Clean and dry the area, then apply a dab of toothpaste on a damp cloth and work it in tight circles. The mild abrasives polish the clear coat and reduce the scratch's appearance. Wipe residue away and buff. For slightly deeper marks, follow with a thin layer of clear nail polish to seal everything. A $2 tube treats dozens of scratches. What they don't tell you is that unsealed scratches let moisture sneak under the paint, causing rust that spreads out of sight. Fix them early and protect your paint's integrity. Hack number 10: Silicone spray for smooth and silent car windows. Sticking, squeaking windows that drag up and down put extra strain on the motors and can lead to expensive failure. The fix usually isn't the motor, it's dried out rubber seals. Use silicone spray, not WD-40, on the rubber channels and seals along the door frame. Roll the window up and down a few times to distribute it. In seconds, the glass glides silently again. A $6 can last years. It also conditions the rubber against UV damage and keeps seals watertight longer. What they don't tell you is that constant extra resistance wears out window motors prematurely. Hack number 9, Magic Eraser for a spotless interior windshield. That greasy, hazy film on the inside of your windshield smears no matter what glass cleaner you use, and it turns oncoming headlights into a blinding mess at night. Dampen a white magic eraser with water and wipe in straight overlapping strokes. The microabrasive foam lifts off baked-on dashboard off-gassing, smoke residue, and fingerprints that normal cleaners miss. Finish with a dry microfiber for crystal clarity. A $4 pack cleans the whole car's interior glass multiple times. What they don't tell you is that interior haze dramatically increases glare and reduces visibility, creating a real safety risk. This trick gives you glass that looks brand new. Hack number 8, WD-40 to restore stuck car seat belts. Slow or jammed seat belts feel sketchy and can fail when you need them most. Shops charge $200, $400 for replacements, but the issue is usually just dirt and grime in the retractor. Pull the belt all the way out, wipe the entire webbing with WD-40 on a cloth, then spray a tiny amount into the retractor slot. Let it sit, then let the belt retract slowly. The lubricant dissolves buildup and restores smooth operation. One can handle this many times and also softens sun-stiffened webbing. What they don't tell you is that a sluggish belt may not lock properly in a sudden stop, reducing its life-saving ability. Keep yours working perfectly. Hack number 7, vodka for streak-free wiper fluid. Winter washer fluid that freezes or leaves streaks is dangerous. Mix 1 part cheap vodka with 3 parts water in your reservoir. The alcohol prevents freezing well below freezing temps, cuts through salt, bugs, and grime, and evaporates cleanly without streaks. A cheap bottle refills your system multiple times and it's non-toxic compared to methanol-based fluids. What they don't tell you is that impaired windshield cleaning in bad weather is a safety hazard that can even get you pulled over. This homemade mix keeps you seeing clearly. Hack number 6, black shoe polish for faded exterior trim. Faded black plastic trim makes even a clean car look neglected. Instead of short-lived $15.20 restorers, use black paste shoe polish. Apply a thin layer to all trim pieces, work it in, let it sit 5 minutes, then buff off the excess. The dyes and waxes penetrate and restore deep black color that lasts months. A $5 tin does the whole vehicle multiple times and adds protective wax. What they don't tell you is that UV damage that fades the color also makes the plastic brittle and prone to cracking, leading to pricier replacements later. Hack number 5, hazard-like double tap for emergency lane signaling. Heavy braking with no warning behind you is terrifying. A quick double tap on your hazard button while braking creates a highly visible flashing pattern that grabs attention faster than brake lights alone. It mimics the automatic emergency braking flash found on many European cars. Zero cost, already on your dash, and it gives following drivers that critical extra reaction time. What they don't tell you is that rear-end collisions are incredibly common precisely because drivers don't get clear, urgent warnings. Use this and stay safer on the highway. Hack number 4, olive oil for instant tire shine restoration. Dull, brownish tire sidewalls age the whole car's look. After washing and drying, apply a small amount of olive oil evenly with a cloth. It brings back deep black color and conditions the rubber. Buff away excess to avoid sling. A $5 bottle shines all 4 tires multiple times and helps slow cracking from UV and road chemicals. What they don't tell you is that dry, cracked sidewalls signal degrading rubber that raises blowout risk, especially at speed or in heat. Hack number 3, brake fluid flush to stop dangerous brake fade. Spongy brakes and longer stopping distances often come from old fluid that has absorbed moisture and is ready to boil under hard use. Flush it yourself. Suck out old fluid with a turkey baster, refill with fresh spec fluid, and bleed the system with a helper. Costs about $8.15 and takes under an hour. Fresh fluid restores firm pedal feel and protects seals and components from corrosion. What they don't tell you is that brake fluid should be changed every 2 years regardless of miles, yet many shops skip mentioning it because you can do it yourself. Hack number 2, gas cap holder for instant fueling convenience. Stop fumbling or dropping your gas cap. Open the fuel door and look inside. Most vehicles have a built-in notch, hook, or slot designed exactly to hold the cap while you fill up. It keeps the cap secure off the dirty ground and prevents you from driving off without it, a feature that's been there for decades that almost nobody uses. What they don't tell you is that a missing cap triggers the check engine light, wastes fuel through evaporation, hurts mileage, and can cause emissions test failure. Hack number 1, baking soda for a deep clean car seat. Stained, smelly seats with years of built-up grime and odors ruin the interior. Baking soda is your secret weapon. Generously sprinkle it over the fabric, work it in with a soft brush, and let it sit 30 minutes to overnight. It neutralizes odors deep in the fibers instead of masking them. Vacuum thoroughly. For stains, make a paste with a little water, apply, dry, and vacuum. A $1 box does multiple deep cleans. If this video saved you money or showed you smarter ways to maintain your car with household items, hit like and subscribe. Your wallet will thank you. There are even more powerful hacks where these came from. Check the next video and keep your ride in top shape for less. Thanks for watching.